Hello guys, this is Hectic Gaming Dude and today this is my opening video and we are going to play Gem Grab using B. I guess that's already in the title anyway. So we are going to complete the quest. We have to win 3 games continuously. So let's just collect everything and I'll explain it to you. The thing with B is you have to make sure your super shot doesn't go waste. That's the main thing. Once you get it loaded, you have to get it on target. Otherwise, it can be pretty terrible. So, quick fire is sometimes bad. Look. Win 3 games with Jug Grab. Okay. So, today the map is Escape Velocity, which is kind of good with B. So, anyways, it's taking longer than usual. Okay, let's go. Okay. Go. There's a gem right on our side. I got that. You have to make sure it doesn't go. You saw that, like, that's what you get the value from a super shot. It's like one shot and that a few power less than me B went all gone. In just one shot. She was just like 1 or 2 powers less than me and she was all gone. So it can literally do that if you just saw. So you know, if you don't have Shelly's gadget and they're pretty far and trying to chase up with you, then B can be a real trouble and Shelly is also run away pretty often. That Jessie is just transcendent. No. Like that's what you saw. She slowed me down, and she got the super shot and target, and I'm all gone. I try to get that BB. This is not good. I don't have a good feeling about this. Okay, they have 9 gems. They don't. Please. Come on. Okay. That Jessie shielded her. That's kind of unfair and the stupid notifications. I'm gonna block them. No, I thought BB. Okay, fine. Oh, just forget that one, okay? I'll just show you later on. Just forget that one. Please. Okay, just forget that one. She's a pretty good brawler. Like, she's very good. I just got her recently, so my controller is slipping. Okay, anyways, got her. My controller keeps slipping for some reason. I just got her reset. Look. That's Shelly. You just saw. She was chasing me. She didn't have a gadget, so she had to run away. I was talking about that in the last match. So I have my super shot loaded. Make sure it doesn't go waste. Okay, she put a healing center. One more thing about the controlling BB is that you have to, when you're collecting gems in Gem Grab, you have to make sure that your teammates are around because she's a pretty squishy brawler with less health. So it can be a real trouble sometimes. You just have to make sure that you don't end up doing something stupid and then you have all the gems, then all of a sudden they go rampage on you and you have so less health that you're all gone and you lose all the gems. It should not be like that. You have to make sure your teammates are around so that they can support you. Okay. That Shelly, I guess she went offline for like 2 seconds or something. Anyways, okay. Oh, you saw that? It missed the Shelly. I wanted to hit the Shelly, but then the dynamite came and then it hit the dynamite instead of her. Okay, that didn't matter even if I died, so bull nothing would have happened. Anyways, my teammates have rest of the 10 gens. Okay, let's do the second one. Already one match, just 2 more to go. taking too long. For some reason now the matchmaking takes very long for me. Okay, here we go. Okay. Let's finish this one. Okay. Come on, Poco. Don't end up disappointing me. No, Tick is a pretty good brawler in this map. Personally, I think that Dynamite is the worst thrower. Trick's pretty good. One more fact is that if you're ever against an aim, make sure you're like really close, so that she cannot get her all three effects of the spray on me, because it's pretty bad. Because if she gets all the three effects, she'll wipe you out in something like 2 shots, even if you come near her after that. You have to be really careful. Come on, Poco. This Poco is kind of savage. I just recommend not having the gems when you're a squishy brawler. Okay, I'm escaping somehow. That was pretty lucky. There are 2 gems in the open. This Poco is going completely ham. I can't believe he's still not dead. Now the Penny is acting all crazy with her newfound gems. Oh my god, we are so lucky. Both my teammates had damn less health and the Tick's head was coming for them, but it stopped right before the wall. That's pretty lucky. That's so lucky. Okay, let's do the next one. This one took a short time, luckily. Okay. Many people are using Pam. Okay, please move controller. Thanks. Come on. I got the Pam. This is Rico. He's acting too smart. Can't beat the bell. Okay, that you just saw the incomes of Quickfire. I killed that Rico, but the Poco killed me. So that happens a lot with Quickfire. You never know who you're going to shoot. You know, once I saw this video, that guy, he had Primos behind him, but then there was a box right next to him above the walls. He thought I'll hit the Primos with the star power, but then it ended up hitting the box. So that's what Quickfire can do. It's damn hazardous. That Shelly ended up wasting a super. And this Brock's going ham. He just acted all crazy and got a lot of value out of that. Okay, come on, Brock, don't die. That's it. Okay, fine. You have your gadget. It doesn't matter. I'm a power 4B and I have a power 7 Brock or something in my team. So that's pretty unfair, you see. That happened with me also. When I had a power 3 aims, I met some power 8 or 7 Brock. Anyways, you saw that Pam thought to do spin to win. But then she thought she'll friend us off and let us kill her. But then the Shelly went ham on her. So anyways, till then, bye till the next video.